Nice. So now, new window. First of all, I need to do the code so I can remove the old references to the server. Servers conf, the UK server. I'm going to delete all the references from my hosts file. Control F, V, there is a lot of them. I think I can even just comment them. Okay, saved. Now I can already. Why is this? Okay. Okay, Control plus. Let's reduce this. Now I just need to SSH in the server. So it's going to be SSH root at this is the UK server. Tac. Yes. Then I'm going to copy the password. Okay. We can connect. At this point, what do we need to do? We just need to call the setup DevOps. I could do an update, but we already realized that the update is done in the setup infrastructure. So the first step is just run the setup DevOps, which we will do via the make test setup DevOps. So exit, figure make setup DevOps UK. Now I'm requested the root password. Okay, root password. Okay, it's creating the DevOps users. Sorry, I need to switch in the meantime to pre-prod because later.
Yeah, it looks good. I can connect.
Okay, so now you can already connect. That's really cool. Very nice. And now what we can do is now we just set up the infrastructure. So we do make setup infra. Sorry, UK. We use the UK server. And now is downloading DRED, installing the specific. No, sorry, it's installing like Docker and all the infrastructure that is needed. So the process manager and all that we need. Now it's doing the update. Okay, setting up the Redis container and everything is in here. Okay, Docker is being installed, PM2 is being installed, the firewall is configured. So we know that already that our firewall opened the port which was the port 3032, something like this.
3029. Yeah.
3029, correct. Okay, then we can just now run the setup DRED, and we expect it will fail because we did not do the creation of the new entry for this wallet, from this wallet. So now we do, when we make DRED, setup DRED UK, and we expect that it basically does everything except it cannot start. Because we did not map this DRED server that we just created with what we registered in the user interface of DRED. Okay.
Also, I think the environment variables that we'll have to see.
Okay, probably we need to. The DRED process is online, but the port is not accessible. Makes sense. Now, if we do make test UK, just 1 second, please. Make test UK. We should see the DRED is not responding because, of course, there is no thing. You said we need also to set up the environment variables, correct? Now we go to set up the environment variables. For now, we have them in the setup DRED minimal. So the port doesn't change. What changes is the DRED node. No, because the node is already the server IP, isn't it? And we pass the server IP somewhere here, for instance, but that's an example. I think the server IP is already read by the machine.
It's true.
Yeah, so it should work. We just need to do this stuff to make it work.
Yeah, you can, if you look shortly at my shared window, you can see that the DRED startup error because it can't find a matching server.
Okay, let's check on it. I'm also going to put it on screen so it will be more obvious for us in the future. This is a very good reference. Okay, no host found matching the server address, and this is the UK server 155. And then available host, there is some bogus host, there is some actual host. Very good. So this DRED UK says you are not a registered DRED node. It's too bad. Okay, and now we go to register this. So first of all, I reload this. It's good practice to close the wallet. And then I reload this. Okay. Okay, the wallet is connected. That's the old the other node that we registered. That is the American node, I would say.
Yeah, correct.
Let me just check. Yeah, it's the American node 84, and 55 is the. But I need anyway the servers conf. This is the UK one, so I need to copy it because I need to register it now. Now I register a new node, and we will use this new node address. And now we see, we click on create. The port is 3029, is good. The node's public key is now not used. We just need to demonstrate the replication and the register. Okay, now register DRED node, sign and submit. So now this is eternal. I'm now signing the transaction. Okay, now it's confirming. The UI is not perfect, but it works. Okay, I think at this point, if we restart DRED, we will see that this node is now registered to, yeah, it's registered. Perfect. So now what we should do,
I think that this DRED node was like in a starting loop. It restarted, and now it found the on-chain part, so it's working.
It's confirmed. Okay. So now if I do make test UK, test UK, yes, the server is responding.
Yep.
So that's the demonstration of all that we need to do for the milestone 2. Because we demonstrated the on-chain neighborhood, which is just the single neighborhood for now, the node replication, because we use both the server UK and the US. And then we demonstrate that the replication is a test that I'm going to run in a video. And then, so basically, I run it later. The source code and documentation is there. The smart contracts is integrated in DRED. It's directly visible here because we can see from the pre-prod wallet this. We can see that we just minted 1 minute ago a contract, and we can see the transaction ID. So basically, by providing this transaction ID, we demonstrated that the smart contracts is integrated. The DRED node replicates. Okay, there is a test. I can just show that the test runs. The smart contracts are integrated, and the smart contract for that developer to create and maintain the DRED neighborhood is this one. So I would say that everything is set, and this can be as well used as a video for the demonstration.
Beautiful.
Let me stop the video now.